In this video, I'm going to be helping you understand how to make friends if you're someone on the autism spectrum so that you can succeed at that. I'm Craig Kahn, and I've got it going on, and this is TeamAutismpedia, where we're dedicated to educating you about autism, how you can improve the lives of people with autism. If you're interested in this type of content, please consider subscribing. Friendship skills are not something that comes naturally to everyone on the autism spectrum. I know I struggled with that, but thank God now I understand it a lot better, and I'm going to be telling you several tips that will help you make friends. The first tip is that you need to look at finding people you want to be friends with. Not everyone in the world is going to be your friend in that, and you need to just look to narrow your scope of where you're looking to find people who you'll enjoy being with and they'll enjoy being with you. So you want to find people who have mutual interests, and that. I actually just made a video that will be linked up above that you can look at finding people at different places, and those people will be great candidates for being friends. Doesn't mean every person there will be friends with you, but they'll be more likely to want to be with you, and you'll want to be with them. So just look through them and try to work on it. You won't succeed always, but you know what? You'll get better, and experience is one of the best ways I've seen to learn. The second tip I have for you is that you need to look at having good conversation with those people. Because that's really how you're first going to convince them that they should look at wanting to be with you, and that. There's a lot of different things that, from my experience, I know that people can have problems with if they're on the autism spectrum. They may want to just talk about their interests, or they look at talking and only talking and not letting the other person talk. I suggest that you talk to someone you know and trust and say, are there things that I'm not doing well in conversation that I can improve on? And just getting that. We can learn. I have learned so much and improved so much, and you can too if you're on the spectrum or you know someone on the spectrum. Just work on that stuff in there. And if you want a good book to look at, a reading to help you look at making friends and that, I really suggest Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People. It's a great book, and it's old, and it has some interesting examples that it brings in there, but you know what? It still works today, that you can, the concepts there will help you, and I very much suggest looking at it. And there's going to be a link down below that you can look at getting the book with on Amazon, and then that will actually help support this channel. The third thing is that you should look at doing things with them and inviting them to do things. In Judaism, we have a phrase, acquire a friend. This means that you should, if you need to, you should spend money, emotions, and time to look at making a friend, because friendship is not something that just comes about in that. You have to put in effort into it in there. So do that. Don't look at just saying, oh yeah, I have free game consoles if you be my friend in that. No. Look at doing things like inviting people to different events. I'm actually going to a movie that I got a free ticket for, and I looked at getting another one because I want to invite a friend over with me in that. And I every so often will look at hosting some other people and having like a party or so at my place and that, and you can do those things. Talk to people around you and get ideas. When you just look relying on your own ideas, then you'll only have so many ideas. But if you look at gaining from other people who are successfully having friends, and you can look at doing a lot better. Tip is that you have to keep repeating. Friendship requires a lot of effort, and you have to keep putting in that effort. You have to keep conversing and doing the right thing in conversation, and inviting them to things, and invest and doing other things with them. It's not something that just goes on autopilot. Friendship requires effort, and with practice and working on those skills, you'll be able to make friends and enjoy them. So I hope you enjoyed this video and gained something. And I know some of you may also have ideas of your own on how to help make friends. And I like to see those in comment. And so if someone else wants more tips, they can get more tips from all of you. So if you want more of these type of videos, please look at subscribing so you get our latest videos. Have a great day.